What's going on, guys? People wanted to see this. Watch the magic happen. You'll get good at it. This is, I'm gonna throw in a little tutorial. You're gonna squeeze together your middle finger and this part here. You get the card stuck in there, in between there. And you're going to squeeze a bit to oval it out with your finger. Then you're going to use this finger here. I should put a little back more. Then you're going to use this finger here to block it, the view, block the view. Then you're going to use your pointer finger to go on top too. And then you're going to use your pinky to block the view as well, but it's also for sort of decoration. As you can see a space in between. It kind of looks nice. If there's a little space in between, it looks thin. And then you just come in and pull it through like that. You just come in and pull it through like that. But fast. Three cards now. It's the same thing with 3 cards. You do the same thing, only you're holding 3 cards together. Exact by exact. It looks like 1 card. Squeeze. Squeeze your middle finger and the card. Squeeze your put it between the middle finger and this little thing here for 3 cards. It's the same thing as 1 card. Use this to block, this finger here to block the view, and use your pointer finger to also be over it like that. And your pinky is for blocking the view too, but it's also for decoration sorta. Should look like that. And then you just come and pull through like that. but fast. You'll have to practice on it. It doesn't even take that long to get used to. Then you can pull 3 cards out. Doesn't take long to get used to. You'll come up with your own variations of the trick. The more you do it, you'll get good at the trick. It doesn't even take that long to get good. And then you'll just keep doing the trick until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that. You'll be a good magician. Start small, start easy. Just practice in front of a mirror. When you get enough courage, once you get enough courage, you can start performing it in front of your family and your friends. Then strangers. Oh, we're gonna do 5 cards. Five cards is the same thing. Between your middle finger and your hand, squeeze down. Use this to block and this to block the view, and your pinky is for decoration. Your pinky is for decoration. And blocking too. Your pinky is for blocking too, but it's also for decoration a little bit. And then you just pull it through like that. But fast. And you'll have 5 cards to show in your hand. I'll show you how it looks. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun learning some card magic. I'll probably continue learning until I learn lots. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Enjoy the tutorial and the performances. See you guys next time.